Let's learn space vehicles. Space shuttle carries astronauts. Lunar rover drives on the moon. Mars rover explores the planet Mars. Space station, a giant lab floating in space. Let's learn defense vehicle together. Army truck carries soldiers and equipment. Armored vehicle, strong and safe vehicle used in dangerous places. Tank, big, strong vehicle with a cannon. Military helicopter, flies soldiers and supplies quickly. Fighter jet, super fast plane used by the Air Force. Navy ship, big ship that sails and protects the sea. Aircraft carrier, huge ship that carries airplanes. Missile launcher vehicle, carries and launches missiles. Let's learn maintenance and facility vehicles. Snow plow, clears snow from roads. Water tanker, sprays water on dry roads or plants. Fuel truck, carries fuel to stations or vehicles. Maintenance van, fixes street lights, cables, etc. Cherry picker, lifts workers up to tall poles or trees. Let's learn agricultural heavy vehicles. Tractor with drag harrow. Combine harvester. Tractor. Bowler. Tractor with trailer. Crop sprayer. Tractor with loader. Potato harvester. Let's learn fun and special vehicles together. Ice cream truck. Food truck. Golf cart. Carnival train. Let's learn air vehicle together. Airplane. Helicopter. Hot air balloon. Glider. Jet. Blimp. Rocket. Let's learn water vehicles together. Sailboat. Cruise ship. Boat. Submarine. Canoe. Yacht. Ferry. Jet ski. Let's learn public transport vehicles. Tram. Subway train. Bus. Monorail. Rickshaw. Taxi. Let's learn racing vehicles. Formula 1 car. Go-kart. Dirt bike. Racing motorcycle. Rally car. Dragster. Let's learn animal-pulled and historical vehicles. Horse carriage. Bullock cart. Dog sled. Chariot. Wagon. Let's learn Amazing Monster Truck together. Alien Invasion Monster Truck. Avenger. Blue Thunder. Jurassic Attack. Karkin. Megalodon. Sparkle Smash. Wild Side. Soldier Fortune. Northern Nightmare. Jester. Maxty. Gravedigger. Monster Mutt. Backwards Bob. Whiplash. Can you tell me which one is Blue Thunder? Like and subscribe for more videos. Let's learn transport vehicles together. Truck. Scooter. School bus. Helicopter. Bicycle. Ambulance. Police car. Bus. Train. Motorcycle. Van. Airplane. Ship. Auto rickshaw. Minivan. Hot air balloon. Private jet. Fighter jet. Taxi. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Rescue heroes. Oh no! The house is on fire. What should we do? Don't worry. Today we're going to learn some super important fire safety tips to keep you and your family safe. Let's go. Step 1. Get out quickly and stay out. Never go back inside. Step 2. Call for help. Firefighters will come fast. Firefighter team is on the way to rescue rescue. Step 3. If there's smoke, crawl low to the ground like a sneaky cat to avoid breathing it in. Step 4. Never hide under beds or in closets. Firefighters need to find you. Fire safety tips. Never play with matches or lighters. They are not toys. Don't touch the stove. It gets very hot. Remind your parents to check smoke alarms. They help warn us of danger. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more. Heavy machine at work. Excavator. Bulldozer. Crane. Dump truck. Wheel loader. Grader. Concrete mixer truck. Dumping trailer. Digger. Tower crane. Drag line. Road roller. Asphalt pavers. Wheelbarrow concrete mixer. Forklift. Drilling machine tractor. Road grader. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more.